Yeah, good morning, everybody. Able to hear my voice? Right. Welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So here we are going to learn about MongoDB. What is that, everybody? MongoDB. Okay. Right. This is our course. Only this is our course. Ours is weekend based. So Saturday, every Saturday, Sunday we have the classes. Okay. Yes. Sir, what is this MongoDB? What is this MongoDB? Okay, right. So, what is this MongoDB and what is the prerequisite to learn this? What are the prerequisites to learn this? So, to learn this MongoDB, no need to have any prerequisites. But if we know any other databases like relational databases like MySQL, Oracle, SQL, then you can understand little bit easier compared to the others. Okay, if we don't have prerequisites also, absolutely you can join the course, but of course if you know anything, definitely there will be advantage. Okay, of course if you know anything, definitely there will be some advantage like PS, MySQL or else Oracle, anything. Okay, right. So that's it. There is absolutely no prerequisites. If you are a fresher also, directly you can learn. If you have any database related knowledge also, you can learn. Okay, right, that is not a problem. Then after, what is MongoDB? What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a NoSQL database. Non-SQL or non-relational database. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. First of all, we need to know about database. Okay, everybody, why we need to use the database? Why we need to use the database? Respond, everybody. If you have any knowledge, you can respond. First of all, why we need to use the database? What are the advantage of storing? Yeah.
To store the data.
Yes. What is the database? To store the data. What is the meaning of database? A base for the data. So we are storing entire data in the database. Okay, everybody? Right. So what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? What are the advantages of our storing our data in the database? What is that? First of all, what is a database? A database is nothing but a container. Okay, a database is nothing but a container which contains our entire application data. Okay, right. Then after, how to store data in the database? How to maintain? So we need to store our data in a tabular format. I am telling you about normal relational database. Okay, tabular format or okay in relational databases, documents format in NoSQL databases. So I will tell you what is this relational database and everything. Okay, right. So wait one second. Okay, everybody, we need to store our data in the table format in relational databases, documents format in NoSQL databases. Okay, I will tell what is this documents format also. I will show you. And somebody asked me about the syllabus. In the last, I will show. Okay, with the notes, that syllabus. Okay, what are the topics I'm going to cover? Okay, right. So how to store? Okay, how to store in the tabular format? Okay, everybody, tables, tabular format, documents in documents format. Okay, everybody, right. So if you want to store your data, okay, we need to store in the tabular format. Okay, in the tables. Okay, right. Or else in the, if you are using any non-SQL database, we need to store in the documents format. What is that, everybody? Documents format. Sir, can I maintain only single table? Can I maintain only single table? Okay, is it enough to maintain our entire data? Or else if you are maintaining only single document, is it enough to maintain entire data related to your application? For example, we are all okay, we are all constructing home. Why? To maintain ourselves. So if you want to construct a home, only a single room do you construct with 4 walls? Respond, everybody. Only 4 walls do you construct if you okay construct a home? Respond, everyone. Don't be silent. I'm asking a simple question. If you want to construct a home, only a single room do you construct, or else you will divide into multiple rooms? Respond. I'm asking about home, not a bachelor room. Tell me. At least kindly one person respond through voice. I am not asking any rocket science question, right? Very basic question, right? Only Girish Kumar is responded. If you kindly respond through voice, everybody, I am not able to see your chat all the time. And if you respond through voice, it will be recording also, right? Yeah. So if you want to maintain a home also, if you want to maintain a home also, only there only 4 walls. That means a single room we don't construct. Okay, we don't construct a single room also. For example, if you enter any village also, okay, they don't have any advanced level homes, but still they will construct into at least 2 straight rooms also. They will construct 2 to 3 rooms. Okay, everybody, right? For example, if we are constructing a big home or else any other home also, what we will do? We'll keep our kitchen related things in the kitchen, like uh, sweet and hot or else salt, okay, sugars, okay, and dals and everything we'll keep in our kitchen. And we will keep our gas stove in the kitchen. Okay, right. Or else we'll keep our bedroom beds and the cots in the bedroom. Okay, and we'll keep our washing machines or everything in either in the balcony or else whatever the place washing area is there, there we'll keep. We'll keep our soaps, shampoos, and everything. Okay, in our washroom. So what is that? We are organizing. For example, if you are keeping each and everything in a single room, okay, gas related thing, that means cooking related things also, cooking related things, okay, sleeping related things, pillows, okay, blankets, okay, and beds, cots, okay, soaps, washroom, soaps, shampoos, and everything, each and everything you are keeping in a single room. So then what happens? If you want to find anything, can you find it very easily? If you want to find anything, if you want to find anything, can you find it very easily? If you are keeping in a single room. Only Girish Kumar is responding immediately. Why others are not responding? I'm not understanding.
No, it's difficult, right?
Okay, everybody, it is very difficult to find any particular thing. In the same way, whenever you are developing an application, okay, that application contains different types of data. For example, if you are working developing an e-commerce application, there will be users module. Users, we need to maintain users data. Okay, and we need to maintain vendors data. Users are different and vendors are different. And we need to maintain orders related data. We need to maintain categories related data. We need to maintain subcategories related data. Not only that, each and every product related data. Okay, everybody, we need to maintain all this data. All this data we need to maintain. So if you are keeping each and every data in a single table, what happens? It is very, very, very difficult. It is very, very, very difficult to find particular type of data. Okay, everybody. So everything will be very messed up. So that's why, however, we are dividing our home into multiple rooms like bedroom, okay, master bedroom, children bedrooms, okay. Somebody, if they are very rich, for each and every kid, they will maintain different rooms also. So whatever it may be, so master bedroom, children bedroom, washrooms, kitchen area, okay, hall, and the dining space, then after balcony, everything, however we maintain in the same way, to maintain each and every type of data, to maintain each and every type of data, users data, okay, products data, orders data, categories data, subcategories data, to maintain each and every type of data, they will maintain different tables, okay, in relational database also, in non-SQL database also. Of course, in relational databases, we need to call it as tables. Here, we need to call it as collections. What is it, everybody? Collections. What is it, everybody? Collections. Okay, everybody. We need to store our data in tables, in tabular format, in relational databases. Okay, collections in documents format in NoSQL databases. Okay, everybody, right? So I will explain. Okay, what is advantage of collections and everything? I will explain. Okay, don't get tense. Okay, just a terminology I'm introducing. If suddenly I have used a collection word, everybody will confuse. That's why just I'm introducing the terminology. Just I am introducing the terminology. How it will be. What are the things we will get like that. Okay, everybody, right? So we need to store our data in the tabular, okay, in tabular format in relational databases. Collections, okay, we need to store our data in the collections in documents format in NoSQL databases. Okay, this is the first thing we need to understand. This is the first thing we need to understand. Okay, right? Why? To organize our data. Okay, to manage our data. Okay, right. Now tell me, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? This I am telling how to maintain. Okay, I'm not asking about I'm not writing the advantages. Now tell me, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database?
Easy retrieval
Okay, right, very good.
and you know to do the analysis.
Okay, yeah,
So if it's over network, then easy sharing of data. So
okay,
everybody can.
okay, yeah, yeah, right. So whether it may be relational database also, okay, non-SQL database also, but purpose is same, advantages are same. Okay, how we are storing is different. I will tell you that. So what are the advantages of storing of our data in the database is, first thing, okay, everybody, first thing, very first thing, data will be permanent. Okay, what is that, everybody? Data will be permanent. So once you store the data in the database, that data is permanent until and unless if you delete that data manually. Okay, for example, you have constructed a home, that is permanent or not, at least your lifetime. Respond, everybody. If you construct a home, that your home is permanent or not? Respond. Okay, it is permanent. Okay, until and unless you have demolished it. Until and unless you have demolished it, it is permanent. In the same way, once you store the data in the database, that the data will be permanent. Okay, right. And we can organize and please keep everybody mute, maintain our data so that we can access our data faster. Accessing means retrieving or else modifying anything. If you're accessing means what? Using. Okay, we can access or use our data. Okay, faster. Using means what? If we want to getting the data also, or else if we are updating the data also, or else if we are modifying the data also, everything comes under using or accessing only. Okay, everybody, right? We can organize and maintain our data so that we can access or use our data faster. Okay, everybody, right? Sir, what is this organizing and what is this maintenance? Okay, for example, we are all having clothes. What is it, everybody? We are all having clothes. So once you have having the clothes, okay. So generally, what we'll do, we'll wear it. Of course, okay. Then after 1 or 2 days, we'll wash it. Of course, we'll wash it every time also. Okay. So for example, if we compare with a family, if a mother is there, she has her own clothes. A father is there, he has his own clothes. Children are there, they have their own clothes. So every day we'll wash our clothes. So after that, okay, we'll keep in the sun to dry. After drying, everybody collect in the evening. Then after somebody, what they will do, they will keep each and everything in the sofa. That's it. They don't do anything. Okay, everybody, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days also, they will keep all the clothes in that sofa one day. But some people, they what they will do, once they are dry, they will keep in the sofa. Then after, immediately they will fold that clothes. Somebody will iron also. Somebody normally without iron, whatever it may be, they will fold, and then they will separate. Mother dress in the mother shelf, father dress in the father shelf. Okay, and then after kids dress in the kids shelf. Okay, like that they will divide. Then what happens if they want to go outside? If they want to go outside, easily they can find their clothes. Easily they will find their clothes. Understand it, everybody? Okay, for example, if you are keeping each and every dress in the sofa, that's it. You are not separating. Daily you are keeping as a day one, day two, day three also. Then what happens if you want to go outside to find a single dress also? To find a single dress also, we need to refer all the clothes. We need to refer all the clothes. But here, who is organizing? They need to refer only their clothes. For example, mother will go only mother shelf only. She does not go to the father shelf or a kid shelf. She will go to only mother shelf only. There only she will refer. But here, if you are keeping each and every dress in the same place, okay, in the sofa, then what happens? Okay, everybody has to go to the sofa and everybody has to refer everything. Kids has to check mother's clothes, father's clothes, and the elder brother clothes or else younger brother clothes. All those things they need to refer. And mother has to refer father clothes, kids clothes also. Why? Because they are unable to find their clothes. Why? They are very messy. They're keeping each and everyone's person's dress in the same place. So that's why whenever they want to go outside to find any dress also, it is very difficult for them. But comparatively, that person who is organizing their clothes, who is organizing their clothes, who is dividing their clothes into multiple sections, they are finding that okay, they are finding that their clothes very faster. This is called organizing. Okay, this is the advantages of organizing our data also. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello? Right. So sorry, this is the advantage of maintaining our clothes also. Okay. In the same way, as I told previously, if you want to store your data in the database, okay, if you want to store your data in the database, entire things, entire data, we don't keep, okay, entire data, we don't keep in a single table. If you keep in a single table, what happens? Each and every user will data will be missing. Not only that, each and every product data will be missing. Each and every category data will be missing. Why? We are keeping users data, products data, categories data, order details data, everything in the same table. It is very messy. And in order to get any particular data also, we need to wait so much time. So that's why we need to divide our data into tables format. That's why we need to store our data into tables format in relational databases, collections format in, okay, NoSQL databases. So here tables and collections are equivalent. Purpose wise they are equivalent. They are equal. Why? To maintain different types of data. Okay, everybody, to maintain different types of data. So in the tables we will maintain our data in the tabular format. So what is the tabular format? Wait 1 second, I will show you. What is the tabular format? Like this? Of course, forget about the sizes. Generally, I'm writing. Okay, everybody. Right. For example, user ID, auto increment primary key. Okay. First name related to user. Last name related to user. Email related to user. Phone number. Address. So how it is in the tabular format. In the tables, what we have, okay, fields and fields related data. Okay, for example, user name, user ID, okay, user first name, last name are the titles. That means fields. Okay, so we need to maintain a schema. Schema is nothing but structure. Okay, what a table should contain, that fields we need to write. Okay, and what are the properties of that fields? So for example, user ID must be integer and it should be primary key and it should be auto increment also. Okay, then what happens whenever the user is inserting, new user is adding to our database, automatically, okay, it will be incremented by one number. And with that number, we can recognize each and every user related data independently. Sir, why we need to recognize each and every data independently? Very simple. For example, some users contain multiple same names also. Some okay, users contain same names also. So that's why if you are recognizing the record with the name, for example, I have a user, okay, three users, Ramesh, Suresh, Ramesh. Now tell me how many Ramesh are there? Two Ramesh. And number three user, Ramesh, number three Ramesh is updating his data. So if you are updating the data, depends upon the first name, what happens? Number three, Ramesh also data will be updated. Number one, Ramesh data also will be updated. Why? Because they are updating depends upon the first name. Rather than that, if you are updating the data depends upon the ID, what happens? Only that particular third record, third Ramesh will be updated. Clear or not? Third ID related Ramesh will be updated. So not only that primary key, so not only that auto increment, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. That is used to recognize each and every data. Okay, primarily that means independently. That is the advantage of the primary. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Kiran. Okay, right. So that's it. Okay, right. So user ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, and address. Okay, right. So that is the purpose of the primary key. Also, yeah, we can recognize our data independently. So there is a tables will be there. Okay, there will be some fields also. Now it can contain the columns. That means rows. Okay, right. What is this? User ID 1, user ID 2, user ID 3, user ID 4. So this is Ramesh. I'm not going to fill entire data. Okay, please try to understand. Then after Gopi, then after again Suresh, then after Ramesh again. Then what happens? We can recognize our data, each and everything independently. Though they have the same names, we can recognize our data independently. And what is this? This is the okay fields, and this is the rows. And how are we storing this data? In the tabular format. In the tabular format. Okay, everybody? Right. So this is how we can organize our data. In the database, sorry. Okay, everybody, in the database, we store our data in the table format. Where? In the RDBMS. That means relational databases. Sir, how can we store this data in the non-SQL database? How we can store our data in the non-SQL database? So very simple. Wait 1 second. I will show you. We'll store our data in the JSON format. What is that, everybody? JSON format. JSON means what? JavaScript object notation. What is it, everybody? JavaScript object notation. That means we will store our data in the form of objects. Which objects? JavaScript related objects. And how? Like a notation. That means a sequence. All the data we store in a same place. That is called a notation. For example, okay, I am composing a song. Whenever I am composing a song, okay, I need to use different instruments. But we cannot tell each and every instrument pair when to start, when to stop, like that. Then after, okay, that purpose, what I will do, I will write a notation, music notation, that can be called as. So when that sound should be up, when that sound should be slow, when that sound should be very mild, and again when should be up, like that I will write a notation. For each and every instrument player, I will give that notation. So they will follow that. What is that, everybody? They will follow that, so that we'll get a beautiful song. So whatever it may be, I'm not here to teach about music, but I'm telling you about the notation, a sequence. In the same way, whatever the data we have, okay, all the data will send it a sequence, that is called a notation. Okay, which notation? Object notation. Related to which language? JavaScript language. That is called JavaScript object notation. So we need to store our data in the JSON format. Where? In the MongoDB database. In the MongoDB database. Okay, everybody. Sir, can you, if you store our data in the JSON format, it can be understandable? Of course, as a human you can understand, but not computer cannot understand. Computer can understand only binary language. So whatever the JSON code you have written, okay, if you are storing the data in the JSON format, automatically it will generate a BSON file also. BSON means BSON format of JSON. Okay, BSON means binary form of JSON. So that code it will understand and automatically will get the related output. So whatever the JSON file, okay, whatever the JSON data have created, that can be automatically converted into BSON. Automatically MongoDB database, okay, internally it will understand that one only. So finally, whatever it may be, it will have its own BSON format also. Okay, right. Okay, sir, I understand about the JSON and BSON. Then how we will store our data? For example, see here, everybody. See it, everyone. Assume this is the employees is the collection. Okay, and we'll store our data in the documents format. This is called a document, like an object. Okay, everybody, in the JavaScript we'll call it as object, but in MongoDB we'll call it as document. Okay, everybody. Sir, how to store our data in the documents? Very simple, in the key and value format. What is it, everybody? In the key and value format. So what is the key? For example, this one: first name, last name, email, DOB, gender, education, company, experience package, ID. This is the keys and this is the values. So we need to store our data in the okay, keys and value format. Okay, and if there is any multiple data, for example, here in this object, we can write nested object also. For example, if you have any other thing like address, again we can write here as object, nested objects also. Again we can write as again address 1, address 1, address 2, like that we can create also. Nested object we can write any, how many you want you can write. Clear it, everybody? Right. So whatever it may be, we can store multiple types of data in a single object also. So normally we can call it as object, but coming to MongoDB, we can call it as document. Document, in the document, how to store? In the form of, as a pair of key and value. Okay, sir, how to separate the key and value? With colon. With the colon. Okay, everybody? Right. Okay, yes. So here in the relational databases, ID will come with 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But in MongoDB database, ID will generate automatically. Underscore ID. What is that, everybody? Underscore ID. That is a object format. Okay, that is also object format, but no need to worry about that. So by using that underscore ID, we can recognize each and every record independently. Each and every record independently. Okay, understand it, everybody? How we are storing in the relational databases? How we are storing in a non-relational databases? Respond. Girish, HF, Kiran CH, Rajesh CH.
Yes,
Respond,
sir.
everybody. Rajeshwar, Veer Shekhar, Veera Shekhar. Okay,
Yeah.
right. So this is how we can, yeah, collection, document, JSON, key and value. Yeah, perfect, Girish.
Sir, sir, only JSON format allowed in NoSQL database or any other format we can choose, sir? Is there any option?
Yeah, I know only JSON format. I don't know. I'm not sure about that, but Yeah, JSON format only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you want to store your data in the collection format, okay, sorry, document C and value, only JSON is suggestible. So yeah, JSON
Okay.
format only. Okay, right.
Got
Yes.
it.
Yeah. This is it. Okay. So in the data relational database, we will maintain like this. In the non-SQL databases like MongoDB, we will maintain like this. And ID we don't keep generally. Of course, for our other purpose, I'm writing normally here. But this ID will generate automatically. That name also not ID, underscore ID. Okay, that is a alphanumeric number. What is it, everybody? Alphanumeric number. With that, we can recognize each and every document independently. Okay, right, very good. So this is it. Okay, everybody, this is it.
So, sir, just a small question.
Yeah.
Do you have to maintain the order of the column?
Order of the columns means first name, last name, and these things.
No, not like that. So here you have mentioned the user ID, first name, last name, right?
Yeah, right.
And here it is the first name, last name, and in the second one, first we are taking the ID, and then we are taking the
No.
first name, last
See,
name.
for example, I have written like this. Okay, yeah, of course, we'll underscore will come in the first place. Wait one second. I will show you other places.
Okay.
Wait. I will show you in other place. There is a MongoDB Atlas. Is there? MongoDB Atlas.
And also one more thing, what is difference between MongoDB Atlas and MongoDB Compass?
See, MongoDB Atlas, this is not for writing code. Actually, this is a cloud server, which is officially giving to the MongoDB. Okay, whenever you are developing an application by using Node.js or anything, we can store the data in this whenever you are learning. Okay, like it will be useful for min stack or main stack one. Okay, not for practicing the MongoDB Atlas. Okay, here, not to practice here, better. Okay, MongoDB Compass is where we can learn our MongoDB. Suppose we can create our databases and we can retrieve the data. Okay, this is the server side. This is the server, actually, official free server. Okay.
Atlas is server, right?
Yes, MongoDB server. Okay, we can host our application also here. Okay, that means application means what? Application related data directly we can host it here by paying some money. But MongoDB Compass is to learn the MongoDB purpose. Okay, of course, compared to the MongoDB Compass, okay, we can use Robo 3T, or else in the command prompt also we can practice the MongoDB. Okay, but better to use any IDE. What is that? Robo 3T. So that we can see, we can get more benefits also, we can see our data very clearly. Okay, comparatively MongoDB Atlas Compass also, Robo 3T will be good choice. Okay.
Okay.
What is that? What is that? Robo?
Robo 3T. Next class I will tell you that. Okay. Next class onwards I will tell you that. Okay. Right. So now see here, database click there.
So this is a SaaS application, is it? The one that we were seeing on the screen.
See, this is MongoDB. See, I am telling here how this MongoDB collections are working, how this underscore is there, ID is there. Okay, just focus there. Okay, right. Don't calculate here. Okay, anything. See, this is just to show how we are maintaining data. That's it. Okay, yeah. See here, for example, foods data. See here, every foods. Observe here, underscore ID. This is alphanumeric value. So it is generating automatically. First of all, what is there? Underscore ID only. Understand my point. That's point, everybody. This will generate automatically. You cannot manipulate this. When we can insert this data, name, price, tax, and everything, this one data, but this will generate automatically here. Clear or not? That's point, everyone. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, understood.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Underscore ID. Then after, See second record. This also underscore ID. How we are storing key and value with separating with colon. This is JSON format. Okay, everybody, right? So this will generate automatically. This will generate automatically. In the same way, users also. Whenever any user is inserted, user is inserted, automatically that will come here. Automatically that will come here. Seat underscore ID, Chaitanya name, password and everything. This underscore ID will come automatically. Okay, right. With the help of this underscore ID, okay, right. You can get it. So all the doubts is clarified, right? Respond everybody regarding this. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. Very good. So this is completed. Okay, this is the table format, relational databases, and then after this is a JSON format. Okay, everybody, right? Very good. So yeah, so we can organize and maintain our data so that we can access the data faster. Okay, right. So okay, this is it. So yeah, then after that is the second advantage. Then after, what is the third advantage? We can modify data in multiple places yet once. This behavior called as can be called as dynamic behavior. What is that, everybody? Dynamic. So what is the meaning of dynamic? If you manipulate in one place, if it is affecting other place also. If you are manipulating in one place, if it is affecting other place also, that is called dynamic behavior. What is that, everybody? That is called dynamic behavior. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. That is called dynamic behavior. Okay, if you modify, okay, understanding and respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, if you modify in one place, if it is affecting other place also, that is called dynamic behavior. For example, I have A1 page, A2 page, A3 page. What is that? A1, A2. I am developing a real-time application. Think like that. A3 up to A100 pages I have. Okay, A1 has 14 paragraphs, A2 has 10 paragraphs, A3 has 16 paragraphs, A4, A5, okay, A6 up to A100. They have different paragraphs. Think like that. Okay, we are developing a dynamic application. That means we need to store our data in the database. Think like that. Okay, in the table format, the tables, whatever it may be, tables also, non-SQL also, whatever it may be. Okay, we are storing our data in the database. Think like that. So, but in all 100 pages, first 3 paragraphs are common. Data is same. Fourth paragraph only data will be changes. Okay, in all 100 paragraphs, first 3 paragraphs are common. Sir, why are you storing like that? Please don't ask me like this. Just assume that scenario. Assume that scenario. Okay, everybody? Right. So first 3 paragraphs are common. Then, okay, remaining are different. That purpose, how we will fulfill our requirements? Okay, very simple. We will create 2 tables. One table is for to store common data table. What is that, everybody? Common data. One table is for to store common data. There we will keep only the 3 paragraphs. Another table is for pages data. For example, page ID 1, page name A1, page description, remaining paragraphs. Page ID 2, page name A2, remaining paragraphs. Page ID 3, page name A3, okay, page description, remaining paragraphs. Understand, everybody? Like that, we'll create up to A100. Then after, what is the thing I will do in the application? I will open all the 100 pages. Okay, I will open all 100 pages. In all 100 pages, I will write 2 queries. First 3 paragraphs area, I will write select star from select star from common data table, print description. Okay, display description. Okay, just think like that. Then after, second query will be select star from pages where page ID equal to 1, where in the A1 page, display description. In the A2 page, okay, first query will be same, select star from select star from common data table. But second query will be select star from pages where page ID equal to 2. Like that, I will write in all 100 pages also. I will write 2 queries. Okay, everybody, one query is for to write to retrieve the data from the common data table. Second query is for to retrieve ID wise, where page ID equal to 1, page ID equal to 2, page ID equal to 3. In all 100 different pages, I will have different IDs. Then what happens? First day it will take little bit time, 1 or 2 hours time, because I need to write in 100 pages. Okay, I have completed. Then after suddenly tomorrow client told, no, I want to add one more paragraph also. I want after third paragraph, I want to add one more paragraph also. Then what is the thing I need to do? No need to open all 100 pages, no need to enter statically. Very simple. We need to go to our database. In that particular common data table, we need to add that extra paragraph. We need to add that extra paragraph. Then what happens? Automatically it will reflect in all 100 pages also. Understand everybody? In all 100 places also. Clear or not? We are modifying in only common data table, but it is affecting all 100 places also, all 100 pages also. This is called dynamic behavior.
So,
Clear or not?
so this is something like in a normal database cascade kind of thing, behavior.
Not like that. Actually, we are writing different IDs, right? Veershankar.
Yeah.
For example, okay, page ID equal to 1 in A1 page, page ID equal to 2, A3 page, and not only that, okay, not only that one. In all 100 pages, we are writing that query right first. Select to start from common data table. Since we are writing that query, automatically it is updating all 100 pages also. Okay, if you, without that query, okay, if you are suppose in the A1 page, you have deleted that query. What is that? Select to start from common data table. Then what happens? We don't get the data from the common data table. Okay, Veershankar?
Okay.
Yes, of course. Okay, right. Of course, this is working like a cascading. Automatically it is applying, but actually, okay, yes, this is the database working culture actually. Okay, Veershankar? Right.
Got it. Thank you.
So others respond. Girish, HF, Kiran, Rajeshwar, Senthil, Sudhakar. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. This is the dynamic behavior. So we can modify our data at once. At once means at one time. Okay. Okay, if you modify in one place, automatically it will affect in all other places also. This is called dynamic behavior. Okay, right. So we can manipulate at once. Then after fourth one. Okay, what is that? Fourth one. What are the advantages of this? This thing. Fourth one. What is that? Everybody can see the same data. Of course, this also like this only. Okay. For example, I have opened Wikipedia. I am reading an article about Michael Jackson. Okay, I am reading from India. Somebody opened Wikipedia and he is also reading from article about Michael Jackson, but he is reading from USA. Both will see the same data or different data.
Same data.
Same data. Okay, why? Because they are storing in their database only. In that particular place, they are retrieving it. Okay, right. Then after fourth step is, okay, no need to do same work multiple times. Sir, what is the meaning of this? For example, I want to purchase a shirt from Myntra. Okay, from Myntra. Wait 1 second. Myntra. Okay, everybody? Right. So I want to purchase the shirts. Wait a second. I want to purchase this. Think like that. So if you want to purchase the shirt, can you purchase directly? If you want to purchase a shirt like this, can you purchase directly? No. You must log in. Okay. So can you log in directly? No, you must register. Okay. Right. For example, whenever you're registering, what happens? they will retrieve your data, they will store in their database, in the users table, in the users table. Then what happens? For example, today I have purchased. After 2 days, you got this shirt. After 2 days, you got this shirt. Okay, everybody. After 2 days, you got this shirt, and you like this product and this brand also, and you want to purchase another shirt also. So again, you have opened Myntra and you are opening Yarrow shirts. Sorry, Yarrow shirts. So then after what happens? You can directly purchase the shirt. No need to register again. Why? Because already have registered. Already have registered. So no need to do registration work one more time. Clear or not? Once you register, that's it. That is the lifetime. No need to register again and again. Each and every time we are accessing the same application. Clear it, everybody? Clear response. Why? Because whenever you are registering, they are storing your data in their database. Clear or not? That's what everybody.
Yes.
So this is the advantage. No need to do the same work multiple times. So these are all the advantages of storing our data in the database. Whether it may be relational database also, non-SQL database also, non-relational database also. Then what are the difference between RDBMS and non-SQL database? Very simple. Scaling. Scaling means performance. For example, if the data is very huge, okay, crores and crores and millions of data, okay, millions and millions of crores, okay, so much data we have. Okay, everybody. Then what happens is relational databases that cannot handle that much pressure. Okay, everybody. For example, if you have multiple applications, sorry, if you have huge amount of data, we'll partition our data base into multiple database also. Okay, everybody. Right. For example, database 1 will keep 1 to 50. Database 2 will keep 50 to 100. Think like that. But still, it cannot perform very well. Okay, this is called horizontal scaling. Okay, adding multiple databases can be called as, okay, horizontal scaling. Then what is vertical scaling? For example, I have, okay, database. There I am adding multiple data. There I am adding multiple data. So 1 record, 2 records, 2, 3 records, 100 records, 1000 records, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay, crore, 1 crore, 2 crore, 10 crores also. This is called vertical scaling. So, okay, vertical scaling also, horizontal scaling also. Okay, both are, okay, not perform very well. If you are using RDBMS, one stage, if you reach one stage, then it cannot perform very well. But here non-SQL database, if you are storing crores and crores of data, 1000 crores of data also, it can perform very well. So horizontally and vertically, if you are adding multiple, okay, so much data in a single database also, it can handle. If you are dividing your database into multiple database also, it can able to handle. That's it. That is a simple difference. Then who developed this MongoDB? Who developed this MongoDB? Dwight Merriman and Elliot Horowitz. Elliot Horowitz. Okay, everybody. Right. These two persons are developed this MongoDB. Okay, everybody. So Dwight Merriman and Elliot Horowitz. If you are finding this name is difficult, simply you can call it as Elliot. Dwight Merriman and Elliot Horowitz. Okay, everybody. Right. These persons have developed this MongoDB. Why? Because whenever, first of all, they are okay, they are RDBMS programmers, relational database programmers, where in the DoubleClick company. That DoubleClick company later, okay, Google purchased. Later Google purchased. Okay, so whatever it may be, they have purchased that. Okay, so whenever they are working in DoubleClick company, there was a RDBMS programmers. But whenever they are working, they are getting so much issues related to performance. Okay, related to performance. If you are having multiple data, they are getting so much lately. Okay, understand it, everybody. So that's why what I think they thought. So why can't we develop our own database? Okay, like that. So that's why they have developed this MongoDB database. Why can't they develop their own database? That is called MongoDB. From that thought, they have developed this MongoDB. They are facing some issues with the relational and traditional databases. Okay, whenever there is huge amount of data, if there is a 1 lakh 10 crore 10 lakhs 1 crore data, it's fine. But whenever we have 10 crores 100 crores 1000 crores of data, we are not able to handle that in the RDBMS. So that's why they have developed this non-SQL database like MongoDB, so that any type of data also they can able to handle. Simple reason. Okay, everybody, right? So this is the database related and MongoDB related introduction. Now I will show you the syllabus also. See it,
And-
everybody. Yeah,
Excuse me.
tell me. Yeah, tell me.
This database is developed in which language? Java or Python? What language it is developed in?
See, database itself a separate thing. Okay, we can connect with any other database languages. For example, if there is a MongoDB, we can connect with okay Node.js server, Node.js language. By using Node.js, we cannot develop the MongoDB database. Understanding that? Hello?
Yeah, but database, any database will the underlying is with some language they'll develop, right? What was that language? I just
See, frameworks developed by languages, frameworks are libraries, not the databases. Database is a separate thing, comparatively language. They will cooperate, okay, they will engage the database with any other language. For example, Oracle engaged with Java. Of course, any other language also, but most probably Java. Okay, MongoDB with Node.js, MySQL with PHP. Understand that? But without, okay, so MongoDB is different, Node.js is different, Oracle is different, Java is different. They are different technologies. Understanding that?
okay.
Okay, right. They will use it. Yeah, combiningly use it. Okay, but by using Java, they have developed a Hibernate Spring framework like that. But by using Java, they cannot develop Oracle database because okay, Oracle is different and Java is different. Oracle is for only storing the data purpose. Java is to connect with the database to utilizing the data purpose. Okay, understanding this, okay? Right. Yes. So now see here, everybody creating the database, that related nodes also, deleting the database, then after dropping the database also, then yeah, sorry, deleting means dropping only. Then after creating the collection tables, then after deleting that collection, then after inserting the data into the collection, of course again we will create, then only we will insert single record or else multiple records, that means insert many. Okay, yes. Then after displaying all the documents or records, see documents we need to call, but we can call it as record also. Okay, documents, they are retrieving all the data. And then after query statements, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, syntaxes. Then after and statement, or statement. Okay, and then after find. Okay, everybody, finding, yeah, sorry, find method will be there. Then after projection, projects related different deleted syntax also. Okay, then after all fields, yeah, how to select all the fields except some fields. Okay, I have multiple fields, but I want only particular type of fields only. How to get that? Then after filtering commands, script and limits. Then after syntax without projection, with the projection. Okay, that is the difference also. Then after limit. Then after how to retrieve middle two documents. So different types of things. Backup and restore MongoDB database. And how to take all the databases backup. How to restore all the databases backup. Then after how to take only one database backup. How to restore only one database in MongoDB. How to take single collection backup. How to restore single collection. Okay, right. Then after aggregation related different purpose of the this thing also. Concepts wise I'm showing. Okay, everybody, but different queries also will add, so that we'll get different results also, so that will be benefited. Right, this is it. Aggregation we have. See it, so many examples I'm teaching. So many. Okay, everybody, this is the concepts we have. Clear or not? That's one, everybody. So all the queries that related nodes. These nodes also I will share with you. and this introduction related notes also I will share with you. Okay, everyone. So that's it, everybody. Since this is the introduction class, I can teach up to here only. So tomorrow we'll meet and we'll discuss about the installation process and we'll implement some code also. Okay, everybody. Right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Any doubts?